looked, looked, he looked, looked, he looked, looked, he looked, he looked, he looked.
Welcome and hello. Kia ora. Talofa. Ula vinaga and malolele. How do I know all these words? These greeting words. Konnichiwa. Talofa. Momono fa talofa tu fo inisi fo mfayo na maole na ia manoa. Mata mai ai fo mfalongo mai fo ila episode no lua fo yo nisi fo yo o tala fie fa soa fo e tu sai fo ma le molo nei tangata ma le olanga ma le tupuanga mai fo'i ma ngā luenga sa ngā lue ai. E lea ua tamawhai fo'i se vaenga o le episode no lua nei a. So this is our second episode. I'm just going to go right into start telling stories. Ele ai se tufa ta singa fo'i leo o se meo i taimi nei a. Paulawa ni mele sau pai e salo producer fai mai ia mele te una fai wala ia no fai ari o aula ko e fa o ngai o taimi le a o fifia fo o mo se me fai fo i le o a ona na o solo ku fo i le mo lo vai se tu lo la wala le pa i man malo la pa fonga fonga ia nga nofo pa ka o ia ele se me ai mana ia le ufa ngai fo il taimi fai se simbe fo. Now I'm illiterate when it comes to technology, but my son, my producer, make all this to happen for me to get something to do. That's only. Today I'm going to tell a story about something that has been bothering me for over 20 years. Kung tunu le maro le se tala anga I se mena tupu na matua sili ona whainga tai e te au ona whaanga loina e o mea le taimi ne e ui lava wa uma no ia wala e te tau ona wha le leia I tūlanga uma lava fo I o mea sapanga tia ili loto mole ai o a lava ia na laina o tu koe ki ngā inga uia ia ono la whai mo sa whai so back in 1984 or 85 so our first deployment there with the third battalion 3rd Marine Regiment mai Hawaii ao whai amata o fufonga peto e tolu aso mato o ese Hawaii mako o ngai West ngai Afrika sa latu se tasim whape ako o Sergeant o leile o ngari I laifi wa ia te o laifi kalmo ia oi ia o ne a kei fo I lele o was kele masan kering ka ngaka I o ia o I wai taimi e sa o latu mo fitau ia se o le tamaita I o le schoolmate house a matua o ngai Samoan to a onga fo ila ia pi wa ia wo ai le o atu nei ma no na ali fai poipo le la pepe tu sa mo le lua tau sanga matua ai lo mo mafa fo sitina e te lua masina pe to e ono vai aso na ola fo lo ia le pe fo a le alu le to lua deploy ole ngasi tina ia te fai mai tal no mai te mai ende ia wai lo oe o fai si o leva na itono le vai nga au por malo Si o te olua le ia fou o langa deployment mua fo le overseas. O te tinga tia le foma ia. Ma take care of alinga ia no umen fai ona. So she wanted me to take care of her husband while we deploying overseas in every chance I get. Yeah, na mato tano le mo fatu ia o pole fika lilo. O si uso la lea, la utano no atu na olona sofa mua. A ke le na o o tu ina lona fai sala pe stay mi luma pe. O si ona ia o le sofa si uso le mua. Kilifi. Ma sa ma felo ai lola ia maleli. Ia no fai atu lola ia o i lungo le USS New Orleans, New USS New Orleans an amphibious assault ship. Au mātou la o usai le vaenga le company le lima company. We are the Hilo Assault Company. Lono winga o mātou pa ngā helicopter for insert a combo se me fala lai tulang fa pena pa ona. Na o mia mātou te o se os fa inga po la lavas tulang o iai. Tua. Ele fa pe a o ma ia deployment si al military al maling. It's so multi-purpose. E ako ka umaile fai fe wa fa kia le aku umle ki wa fe o help out right. E arpe nga pe aku ai fa pe o ia se riot i Congo se city foi le aku ngu ia leile interest o America. I ask for help. We go over there and be riot controls. So we are all training everything over here. You know, besides our main mission as infantry is to search, locate, and destroy the enemy. So it's so multi-purpose. We have what we call neo ops, naval. What's the E stand for? But anyway, is to help people to save lives. That's the main thing over there, is to save lives and to help people who are like refugees and in any. So se mea lava mwhai ai ona mātou sosoni ai. O si uso la lea o Kilifi. He's an M tracker. Lono inga o ka wariwhi pingi tank. But I think they only have like a 50 cal on top of it. These the biggest caliber weapon that they have. If it had a foilaya the infantry, kanka infantry on marigi, basically ole. Fai o kawari fo ye. Fai o ngā lui lungo sami. Fai whanga sa lungo de awa kele pa matu ma. So o lungo na le USS St. Francis, I'm pretty much sure I remember that. Ole vaana sa yai awa usai le USS New Orleans. So the USS New Orleans is just like a small aircraft carrier. Kele awa alele lunga fapito ai mo helicopters. You know, mato taunu I Filipinas na walu su e maole mata fau. Wa me fapia e kele uri ngana la ia ka fau. Le tele no suese mea I mea ai fo ia te la to I fi I kuka. Fai se suese mea ai pos fale ainga fo I tau mawhai. You know, mai o mato waso ina I Filipina. Then we head for Kenya in Africa. For Kenya la, that was like our last and final means of training before we move up to Somalia. No mato atu lea. Atu tau nui. Sa mato whelelei fo I wale le mako o le training wa makaku I lumore sami le afarfa wa vea. Mato whelelei a tuai. Assault and mako objective in training. I for I tali mai mato ele. the Kenyan army. So they were like defending the mountain. We were assaulting them, going in the offense, and they were defending it. Wingo makoleos fa ia ao Kenya lai e pui amang. Ona mai alolea na matou olola ia mako matou aso mua na lua pe tolu matou aso. Wako oloa ka fau i le sile ka o Mombasa, one of the biggest city, but not the capital of Kenya. Elo le lau mua lea. Ile asolana na walona ia sue ia tiusole ia Kilifi. Ma fetau ilo. Ia mawari mata fa. Io sue me whakau mo meo. Me te mana oi fui le fai fa souvenir man. O au me sa whatau. Ele mo meo tapes o pese Filika. Wa ale fiafi na mua no martu mua taunu. Olu whalongo longo i wha ilia Kenyans. And they are so great musicians. The sound was so good and everything. Kei mi mua fo i halinga wo whalongo i pese le coconut. Le wo ta tere I think the 5-star first make it popular in Samoa or the young ones or something like that. Ia whaili na. Ona maoalea, e al foi la siuso le whaatau me alo fashion tolu. Whaakau me alo fashion na fin. Koe whaakau me alo whare pepe lea koe kiki whaangau kolu. Ia, malola i un whaatau, a pia lole ta le siuso i ta se kahoa siuso ke le fongi. Ia maoloa ile mea ngai ia fong putha le. Ale city, kongi ke le fongi, I help him out with some money. Kongi whake aungi kole kinga wingalang ke le fongi. Kaunga ka ke aso ngai le ingi cell phone, le ingi bill laptop ungi me whapenga. Although we were using them, those technology in the military already, but to connect it with our home phones and that's a different story. Whaisifenka. Ona maolo le whaakau ia malon ma whaatau. Mao whali ke le fongi ia. Au tu mo whalongolongo i lana talno i se on tōru. Te iloa i le alofa te ilo nei uso i le. Ilona siona whalitu ai maisio siana. Siona fina masia la pepelea lo maitanga i siona whalitua. Ia. Sa wea koe, le li e maua le anga tūlanga na e doto vai. Ia sa utano mililong ko whaku. It's okay there, brother. It's okay. Everything will be all right with you. Just make sure we finish this up. In the next few months, we'll be back home again. You'll be with your family. Ia, ala. Ia malotu mai telefoni o tana no atu e sifaltua mo whai atu e ia o pole leo manui a mea Umaro mai anu mātou tana no anga masio na tōru. Maolo il whale ainga nai kalangi o le pasta le sau pasi kuai. O inga fui poe mako pasi maki o lewa. Se foi la o awe alu elisi ku le pasi la ile mako ba. Au Kilifi e alu la ia elisi tu le i mato le lako ba. Malo te ia la e kabo e mai lau. One of my Marines in Love Squad from my Sergeant 2. That's the last bus going to our boat, to our ship. Yo kua kwa ulunga wha mawai siu so walu lo. Lalau ke ilunga le pasi la walu le pasi. Angi ka wano, e la ka kui merka ngaka lea. Au ka fo le pasi. Alai alu le pasi, ia le pasi fo iyo ko inga e sanga kua kwa aku wha alisi pasta. And it was almost a half a mile away. Ali nge ia ka moe a kua mga. O ka Kau vai se fai ka fele le pasi ia le fai anga alu. Ia kulu azo wa ngalo lo fa ka le fai. I bought a book called Cry the Beloved Country. That book I read it like twice only Samoa, but it's yeah, it's one of the best book that really brings knowledge about Africa itself, especially when the colonizers or the European countries come in and colonize the countries or the whole continent. So okay, ma foi la kusi fai kau lungo va. E ama tapes nga po cassette tapes and fa kau. O ko so ko le ilalo. Ma ko fa ma vai lo masius. Ma ya o so lo lunga o ma fa wala fa le kalo fai. Le ma o le me ka mo e mai. Half a mile is nada. And when the bus is going like 25, 35, I like it. That's how fast this guy runs. 35 miles per hour speed. On ola ia le vapeau na so ako feli leilo a makal mako training cross training with the Kenyan Army. Sauli le fea ia te e la kul mako fongola kuma. If I might put it, or Kampangia, Bravo, Narikal Battalion of Kenya. They have 23 people in this company that either had some kind of medal, either in a world competition or the Olympics. So they have what do you call bronze medal, silver medal, gold medals, recipients como de Campanguilha. Matauli voi la ai fa penga and Kaukeiro Umar, Kenya is probably, and Ethiopia, probably the top-notch countries in the world when it comes to distant runners. Alela ako makomoliki ke. Bawal me okay ila ko. Marines, it don't really matter. Go kere fe omalingi ale o cowboy. O le ai o nga mai akalu mai nga po. But that's how the marine life is. Okay, so we took off the run, and the main thing is to make sure we don't have more Marines drop off run drops than the Kenyans. The Kenyans don't really think that way because who cares? They have so much pride, they don't really want to be any word spread around. Oh, they outrun the Marines. But so it was like a 5-mile run. It was like 3 miles out and 2 miles back. We stop at a range, and that's where we go cross training, make our weapons. We shoot their weapons. We teach them some tactics. They shoot our weapons and everything, and then we go into close combat, hand-in-hand combat, everything. Okay, material train na ifakas. Kauria on mako train muri before we move up to Somalia. On umalona ia la ko kiki umal mako a kamo mai lo le si modingi nga landscape ko mo fa lo pusi ali. La fo ia le chaplain. Tamo mai le fa my sergeant too. Chaplain wants to see you right now. Quoi? You all on you le lopo le ale. Le meu papea, oh my goodness, po isi me ukupu mako ai ngai a mesi kinga le ke lo le ma ya. Wa fa inga na ai ni fa le fa posi papea. Yeah. Eta o to ai lunga le Red Cross. E va ko su e ku me le o la langi le ke ai. E va tu ai le le fe au ia te oe. Ia na o la kurori ke la kula o sa fai mai na you so ye to luo. I think it was Matthew Lao Young from Yala and whaavai mangeo mai whangaloa le ki ngā ao I pangopango si on tama. Lando kupori. I said, what is going on? This is Ikaukala. I sat down and then the chaplain goes, well, I don't know how to bring this up to you, Sergeant Joe. Because masang ilay al chaplain. But I know you very close friend Makilifi. I was wo e laka ke Kilifi the sad news is Kilifi died this morning from an accident. Only I froze, I pay all that for freeze for la. We were just running around with Kilifi last night. It's not even maybe it's just like 5.5, 6 hours ago. Leanga kambo e kuli le pas. Ale o ka umai ua mali. What happened? But if we want to lai ili si chaplain lai o le vaa lai o USS St. Francis. Okay, e la ave I mako mo ke o for pay our respect to Kilifi and maybe they can tell the story of what happened. Ana mato atu rola ya ofisili mua nando uku. Yeah, Famakala Loy, the officer of the day, Navy, Sikap King. I know not a lieutenant because a captain in Marine Corps is like a lieutenant in the Navy. Famatala Lola Ieli, Papia. Oh no, the soul killed the vasa, which is true. O le soul will kaya on. Well, okay, loa, what is the load mako helicopters? I ngile ngalu il mako vai o mako vai mo luma. E ngo le pisi mai ho le sami luma. But the good thing is we're not climbing the net, cargo net going down to Mike boats. O le mea nga laingo le wo fai ia. Because of that, so if they cut the load of the Amtrak down to half. Alo le Amtrak, alisi afo le load. E o ila le cargo net, e o you le Mike boats. Now, these Mike boats these are big boats, and they're heavy. I think a couple of tons heavy or something like that. O le whainga lao be ewa o le dangerous I pe ato sila I ai pe o. E saule ngalo si lunga le wafa. Ya wala ngalo lero ngalo I ufa palasi la. O le mea la o tu. O sau neisi uso le. Yeah. He's in full comeback here, huh? And Kilifi maybe weighs or maybe 165, 170 or less than that. Plus he wears what we call back in the day, flak jacket, which is about a 23-pound heavy flak jacket. Something for le ka protect the king of my pulfang. His weapon is M16. His cartridge barrel with rounds. He carries 10 rounds because we are training, but lang a dangerous killer yel chanko in Kenya. Then I carry a mako live round just in case we got attacked by animals. Yeah, my sea lover to lang and you will combat Putin. Ole saula ilalo ili fil karkonet. I saule sami si ilunga va. Gaya vas kama holele afa fose tu lele ilunga palasi loila. Ole palasinga langa ilalo ngalakwa Kilifi kala lisi. He was doing okay. He was just treading the the water ka fai move SM. I ole saula lengan. Pick up the mic pole all the way up. And then boom, bring it down right on his head. Kilifi was wearing a steel pot helmet. That time, ili yo mai al cavalier helmet leu whangange a steel pot helmet puro hore ka o ka ko yo sa mo puro molingi. And I guess he got knocked out and he was floating on the water for I think 12 or 13 minutes before the first or two Navy SEAL one who was over there jumped in there and retrieved it body. Na whaotalanga la na maya kilifi mai lalo le sami. Who pronounced it. Wa maliusi. Ole mea lai whai le lautala. This is so tough. This is one of my first worst experience of feeling as a failure in taking your responsibilities. Although na whai mai asi stinale te au o se kinga ni whai mai eres ka elo o se kapekeki po o se korono wanga whai mai. But I still feel the responsibility that I have. Perhaps there's another way I can do that, to twisting it around. Papenge alai soi fusius. On pailona wa fasili mai ngele Mako Chaplin. A mga o ke alu escortia Kilifi Samoan. It will let me go. Ai mea te au. O makuare ke goi manga o ai. Okay, I don't have the courage to face his family, especially his wife and the daughter. And I said, no, I will stay with the unit. Because here we are getting ready to go up to Somalia. And at the time, Somalia was kind of in a very dangerous situation. I might as well go up there and beef with the enemy than to go home and face the wife. Male sianata. Male ainga ako. Luas fu fatau sanga. O te lei. O ke lei koe whika. E kei mi ka whanau wha mai lei ingi ias. Kau malingos. I try to move away. Didn't want to see them. Not until 2008. Inga ua Lakui Samoa, and I accidentally ran into her i Amerika Samoa. Yeah. Tapa ai vanoi te sauloa. We hug and atumal makuainga. And then that's when all of a sudden, I feel like pouring rains coming out of my eyes. And then I got stopped. And then all of a sudden, the memories of that day all came back. And that is probably where my first PTSD took over me. Walei pola. Then sa whako essays tina. Apologize. And this was 24 years later. Was whakau sang kalma kupuno. Uko e whaile siona inga. E sila whanau. And they're doing very well. Sion Purum sila fana. You know, patu ese tulula yai mutano yai. Yeah. Mako loa, ngavuvul falaiga mako aim. And I told the story. And then she think about that last phone call. Then foi a coelhinha foi my mom pasa. It was so heartfelt, touching. It was almost like au koe karango malong po ua fo lele mo whangaia. Asa uma lava kala la karen fai, which I was there listening that night. Eu foi lá assim, o makua fai asi la kama. There was a look of sanga fa penga fo ele. They're all over 20 at the time. Oh no, Papelia. Oh my gosh. This is not right. Because that happens before I got married. When I getting ready to get married, that was in my head. When mea nga ua o lo mafofo. Na fai lo po ua. Mo winga o le mea foi lea la o ia. If it happens like that, oh well. Life is not fair. But life is short enough for us to make what do you call to change our ways of moving forward to avoid the unnecessary currents that would affect our lives. Well, no, Fatulei Stina, this is not fair. Remember kupuya kilifi, Wuli. Yeah, it was a blessing to me. Well, because a few years later I got married. Na whaangau, te umaku umufo. I na whaila vailunga male mangia o ngasa o maua mai le aso on. Yeah, a lot of lessons I learned from Kilifi's death, the accident that killed him. Ono wa pele, o le tei le o langa fa le military. It's almost like you fight for the freedom and protect the freedom of your country and the world we live in. But you don't really have one. Because those guys up there, like the politicians, they are the ones who decide on where you go and what you do once you wear the uniform. It's a very, very tough life, and I can say it's not for everyone, especially in the Marine Corps, which you often deploy. I have a lot of failure there. Like DT-214, how they long. Tells you almost everywhere I've been, has all my citations, medals, and ribbons, and all those decorations. But the main thing, it doesn't. The unfair to this business doesn't really have anything to in remembrance of those who really care for you, and I'm talking about your family, your wife, your children. Yeah, for you, the Marine Corps, this is their priority of things: God, country, core. God, country, core. God, country, core. Doesn't really say anything about wives. Ina ua maliuia i Kilifi. My leadership within my own units is kind of like make a little turn, sidestep. Because before I treated everyone the same, the married ones and the single. But when I look at it, I said, wait a minute. These guys, they deserve something better because they have a wife and a daughter or children, whatever. And here they are separating for 6 to 9 months, then come back. That's when I said, when we first hit land again back in the States, I just had the married ones, hey, touch up all your stuff, make sure everything got everything to get out of the barracks. Ai po ako me anga kaung fai mo bafa. No, no la ia. Wa o si me o me ko i mo le au no for or the singles ones and which turned out very good. Very the lei foi le morale or both the singles and the married one. Ona ile o la o se me fa pe tia. Mai e foi le tatuanga nu te tono me fa pe nei. E a foi le se senga tātou whananau i Samoa. No mai le i whawha. E misi foi iau tātou ainga Samoa sa whananau nei. Whiola i nei. O rao mai kako mai Samoa i nei. E le lava lea. Le veolo le cap le te un whātumua. First, the language. Second, the culture. Third, the environment. O mea mana e tau on tātou. Wa se me whainga tā tele. Ele ma whainga vai se i tātou tū malenga nu o whaalo alo o le lofa. O a inga pole o a inga o tātou tua a mātu tua. E ave lava le wha mua e le wha mua. Le awa o ingo kako whaangau whaanau nei. Tau mawhaile ina Yesuia lato, or teaching them some of the culture. One biggest regret I had is not teaching my children a language. O whiolai wha ingei i mwhakawhapeaka ika ia. Let them speak English because that's what they want over here. However, you know, o laku New Zealand, o wawai o nismo o nephews lai ai. Gosh, they speak fluent Samoan and they speak perfect English. Ia se vanganai ala nisi o la whanau e whiola me ala ua ie kau mawhai ala e kau karapa Samoa. Ie uiang pi e whaasainga isi kaini, but still yet. But that was my fault. My fault. I don't blame my wife because she does too much for the kids. I should have. I've thought about that. Ole o ina fo ila whanau I tūlanga me wha. Ina ua o whamatala le tala lea ila whanau se vai taimi. Ngāri si oa ho ilele. Oh, Dad. That's very bad. Why didn't you? 24 years. This lady wants to hear exactly what happened. I solo. You just. Well, just wait until you have your moment. Jerome Gray. Wait your moment. Ola Ola so soni phone nai. Mala fautuanga phone nai a tātou Samoa talavou i olo like tono Samoans, young Samoans over. And I've seen it done by some families, which is great, or some families still trying to teach the children those values, which is great. But to ensure that they abide with it day in and day out, well, that's not another story. Because when it comes down to the bottom line, when the kids leave home, then it's on their own. Therefore, ia o onga mo tulango ngā luenga o mea whapena. Ia o na oia. Ia whana. Ai o le tala nā mo tātou nea. O se mea mua lava lea na o ilo. Ele stangata mo mole na maliu o iai. Ai o le ala no tuina atu. O le mea sa tupu. No solo ai lea mai le tina lea mo na was fufa. Ono tātou ma fau lea. If it's God Country Corps, where is the family? To me, it's God family. Yeah. Because I was even following that same ideology as the God Country Corps. If we really find maulanga hoi lele, afai ako, ya foi ia alu si alu mori ko lu ai fai kala le ale sini ansi o foi lele. Oi, ma isi o kol malin ko ya oi, did the Marine Corps issue you a wife? No, sir. Then why you bring it up? Stupid. Bottom line, when you are lying in that casket, the only true people that will be there with you is your family, your wife, your children, grandchildren. You go down the line. O le tātou episode longa lua na le nei aso. E tele a wala e lo ka mwhai e mai ele tātou ia ka ika tartanoanga. So everything that I can think of that is bring, I'm going to just throw it out there. Sometimes I will use some videos, demonstrate for inga isi kala, something that doesn't relate to me, but the only reason because it's a military related story that I will tell. FAP need on fight. I whaftai lava mo le whalongolongo ma whafonga mai. Ia manuia le vai aso, le fōolata i le vai unga le vai aso. Ia stay safe. Yeah. And don't forget, share our program. I don't care who you share it with. Just go ahead and share it with your friends or so. It's going to get better and better and better. O lea lava ka mawhai I lea umai nei mawhai ai ona pahalu lako ka kousa se kaimila. Ia whape mo lea mano. And last but not least, God bless you. This is the Gunny, the host of the Iron and Iron Veteran Steak. Peace, over and out.